an awesome vlog of an epic adventure to an epic canyon with some awesome people.
Made it to Paradise Valley.
We made it! Yeah.
So now we're just walking down, but there's all these different places that have like food and stuff. So I've actually been surprised. It's actually a pretty long walk to get to the place where you can swim. From the parking lot, it's already been like 15 or 20 minutes probably. It's a pretty long time. And I don't know if we're even close yet. Oh, I hear water, but I don't know if that means anything. This is Seth.
Yeah. What's poppin'?
She's pretty cool. She only wears green.
True.
Is this how you want to be introduced?
Yeah, it gets to the point, it gets to the point.
That's funny. So it looks like there's this first place people can swim, but I think we're gonna try to go up a little bit deeper, and there's a better place to do like cliff jumping and stuff. I think there's some that's like up to 10 meters maybe, is what I heard. We'll see. Okay, we just made it to the watering hole where you can do cliff jumping. We got Eula here. And then back there we got Michelle and Betty Van. Oh, falling. But looks like it's actually pretty busy here too. I thought it was going to be less busy in the second higher part. It's got lots of people. It's nice. It's 1:15 we just got here, but we left the car park at the parking lot. We left the parking lot at like 12:40. So it's about a 30-minute walk to the far end of it.
So far.
Not too bad.
Gonna be the best swim of our lives.
We'll see. We'll see. We made it. This is the place you have to like kind of climb up here. It's a little bit difficult, but look how pretty that is.
How long you think he's gonna take to jump?
3 seconds.
He's good at hyping himself up there. You can do this, Jordan?
No, I mean the water's probably not very clean, so it's probably not too good for it. It wasn't even me. It wasn't me.
Give us a measure. Provoking.
Ambulance.
Put me on your calendar.
Wow. Did it!
50 dirham.
He was doing it faster than we thought. Yeah. Good Jordan! Good Jordan!
Minus 10 bottom.
How cold is it?
Like the ocean water is
Now we just came back to like the main area. So there's like a lot more people here, but there's like a lot of areas to swim. It's really pretty. The water's a nice color. There's a little like natural slide over there you can go down. Okay, we just finished. Now we're going back home. It was super fun, super pretty. The place is really nice. So there's basically two main swimming areas. The first one is a little bit more crowded. There's more places to swim. There are some places to jump from, like cliff jumping, but the second place is a little bit less crowded, a little bit harder to swim. Like you kind of have to climb down a lot to be able to swim. But it's really nice. They're both really nice. It's a little bit smaller than I was expecting actually, but colder, very beautiful. It's not super warm right now at this time of year yet, so the water feels very cold. But yeah, that's pretty much it. It's a really nice place. I think if you come to Agadir or Tamarakt, anywhere around here, Tagazout, it's a really nice place to go visit. And you can either take like a taxi and rent a taxi for a day, 350 or so dirhams, and he'll like stay up here with you, or you can also do about 350 to rent a car. There's a few different places down in Tamarakt or Tagazout or anywhere that you can rent a car from. So. Got another vlogger. Really bad at ending videos, so Saf is gonna do it.
Subscribe for more awesome vlogs and like and comment that I'm awesome and follow everyone on Instagram. Peace and love.